Okay, so hi dear Scorpio, very good evening to you guys. Good afternoon to you guys. This is Taro Anjali, and I'm little sick, so my voice is a little different from usual. Okay, so this is a health, career, and finances reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the end of November 2025. I'm not a doctor or a medical practitioner or a career counselor or anything like that. They are just energy check-ins. They might or might not resonate. And want to be a reader like me, you can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, you'll find the details below in the description box. Okay, let's start with your health, Scorpio. Let's see what we have for Scorpio people in their health. We have the Queen of Wands. So whatever you are going to do regarding your health, you are going to get the results immediately. If you are going to work out, if you are going to keep your health on track, you are going to get extremely good results, Scorpio. And the vice versa is also applicable here. Okay, there are very high chances you guys are going to have a change in your physique, change in your looks, and you're going to look very attractive. You're going to feel very fantastic inside out. So this is a very good time for you to start that gymming thing, that taking care of your health thing, taking care of your looks thing, and you're going to get fantastic results. Awesome. Let's see the guidance for you guys for your health thing for this month. Queen of Pentacles, okay. Don't overdo anything. Don't be over enthusiastic and start going to gym like 4 to 5 hours a day. Okay, do whatever is required and whatever is good for your health. Overdoing anything is not going to bring you the results faster. It's actually going to slow you down. Keep that in mind. Okay, honey. So overdoing anything or overstressing your digestive system or with only good food, only healthy food, just drastic changes or overdoing anything can lead to some kind of issues rather than making you uh, good just like that. Okay. Hmm. Let's see for those of you who are working for others or doing job, how it is going to be for you guys. Oh, okay, don't go down. Come on. Sorry, I said. Sometimes it just behaves like shit. Hmm. Let's see for those of you who are doing job or working for others, how it is going to be for. My goodness, what is wrong with this thing? Everything irritates you when you're sick, right? Okay, let's see. For those of you who are working for others or doing job, let's see how it is going to be for you guys. I cannot see the green light on this. I have to just make some changes here. Five of Wands. There might be some kind of chaos or conflict. There might be some kind of office drama or conflict. There might be some kind of office politics also going on. Don't be part of any kind of drama or conflict or chaos, Scorpio, because it's not going to go in your favor. So instead of being a part of the drama, just stay away from this kind of conflict or chaotic kind of energies and let it settle down, and then maybe you can do something about it. Okay, so instead of being a part of this drama or chaos that's going on in your office thing right now, you should just keep your things going, do your own thing, and just keep it stable and steady. Okay, don't say anything that's going to make any kind of difficult environment for you to deal with. Let's see the guidance here, Scorpio, for you guys for your job or work thing. Nine of Wands. Okay, it's like you are going to feel like there is some kind of injustice happening right now with you guys in your office environment. Take a stand for yourself, but don't again, you don't have to create drama, you don't have to create that much issues where only you are going to be targeted and maybe you are going to end up hurting yourself. Try to take a stand for yourself, but try to be respectful as well, and try to be as much, you have to be a little bit diplomatic here, to be honest with you, Scorpio. This blunt and honest energy of going and fighting with anybody and trying to get your place or get your position is not going to help you. Try to sort things out in a peaceful way, in a gentle way, instead of going all in and creating some kind of issues that other people might not like. Okay, so try to not to create these kind of energies. Okay, this is a difficult time for your job thing right now. The environment is quite critical and chaotic, so try not to be a part of this, and be at peace within yourself and do your own work and just go home. Okay, for the time being with yourself and doing your thing is going to be a good idea for you guys. For those of you who are self-employed or doing their own business thing, let's see how it is going to be for you guys. We have the Ace of Wands. So for those of you who are doing their business or self-employed, you guys are going to start or restart something brand new, and you guys are going to be very excited about the idea of doing something in this scenario. It's something that's going to keep you very excited and very much in this energy of let's do it, because this is something that you might be planning from a very long time, but you were not able to take the action. Now there are good chances of you taking the action regarding your business thing or self-employment thing, and it's going to be a very good idea. You guys are going to feel very excited, very happy, and very much in this energy of let's do it. So some you are going to start or restart something brand new, and it's like finally you are going to take the action in the direction of your goal, and it's going to make you feel very happy and excited. Let's see the guidance here. I'm sorry about the cold thing. I cannot do anything about it. That's why I kept these readings on hold. But now I'm going to do it no matter what. Seven of Cups. You might end up having some kind of confusions when it comes to your business or self-employment thing. Try to take it one day at a time. Try to take one step at a time instead of doing multiple things at the same time and getting confused or exhausted. Try to do things in a uh, aligned way, meaning you can write it down or you can take help from somebody who can write the step by step process and things for you, so that you are not going to be emotionally overwhelmed and confused. That is going to help you a lot. So have a proper plan and act accordingly. Step by step or baby steps is going to help you. Instead of doing everything at once, try to do one thing at a time and do it properly. Okay, that is going to help you a lot. Okay, let's see what we have for job seekers, or those people who want to start or restart their business thing, how it is going to be for you guys. Whether it's a total new job or you're looking for another one, or whether it's a totally new business or you're restarting or looking for another one, let's see how it is going to be for you guys, Scorpio. King of Swords, you guys are going to have some kind of conflict or some kind of issue, and you might end up having this energy of I don't want to do it anymore, or I don't want to do it right now. The way you are going to communicate, or the way you are going to behave is going to create some kind of troublesome energies, and you guys might end up having some kind of fight or conflict, and you guys are going to be like I don't want it anymore. So it's like communication might create some kind of issues for you, maybe miscommunication, and you are going to feel like somebody is trying to do something stupid with you. Out of this chaos you are going to get the proper clarity of where you should go or where you should not go, to whom to approach and to whom to never approach regarding your job or business thing. It's like clarity coming in, but this clarity is coming out of chaos or conflict, and a little bit of frustrated or angry energy from your side is also there. So I don't see this new opportunity coming in just like that. It's going to be conflict first, chaos first, and then the clarity coming in, then the answers coming in. Uh, you guys have to have a very clear cut approach and understanding of what you are up to when it comes to this job thing or business thing. Wow, this is tricky. Let's see the guidance for you guys here. Hangman, you guys have to see things from a different perspective. Instead of taking this situation as a punishment, or something like something negative from the universe's side, take it as a blessing that universe is trying to protect you from something that is not good for you for the long term. This chaos, this conflict, this energy of frustration or anger might make you feel like the universe is against you, but it's actually the universe trying to protect you from something that's not good for you for the long run. So try to see things from a different perspective, try to just surrender to the divine and the process, and keep on giving your best from your side. Okay, keep on taking the necessary actions from your side, whatever it means from your side. Okay, do not give up, but don't be in this energy of, okay, I'm not going to do shit about it because all I get is shit in return. No, keep on giving your best from your side, surrender to the divine, and let the process unfold and naturally and organically. Whatever is not happening is actually the universe trying to protect you from something stupid. Okay, try to understand this point if you can. Okay, honey, when we are angry we don't understand shit. I can understand that. Let's see about your finances, what we have for this month, Scorpio. Wheel of Fortune. So your financial health is going to improve. It's like the wheel is going to turn. If your finances are stable right now, there might be some kind of issues. There might be some kind of on and off, in and out, a little bit of unstable energies. If right now they're unstable and you're not able to make a clear cut goal or understanding of what's going on in your finances, you will be able to have a proper plan and your finances are going to stabilize, but they will start stabilizing. So whatever is happening right now regarding your finances, it might take a little bit turn because Wheel of Fortune is the card of change. It's not negative or positive, it's the card of change. Let's see the guidance here for you guys. Tower. Okay, some kind of sudden, unexpected kind of requirement might happen. So, save for the rainy day. So, whatever you are investing in for the long term or something, keep some amount of money or some percentage of money for emergency also. You never know what might happen, what can come up. Okay, and refrain from doing investments in any kind of rush or hurry or in any kind of excitement energy, because you might end up doing investment in shitty things and you might regret it later on. So take your time before investing and save for the rainy day. Emergency funds should be there that you can use anytime whenever you feel like. Okay, that's the guidance here. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.